ka mag-mix seeds na malaki. Ang galing.
Galing, di ba? Mix, mix, mix. So we have shaved ice at the bottom. I have 2 pints of milk. The topping is ubi ice cream, locally made by a Filipino family, really good by itself. There's ubi yam in it. The green and red jelly is coconut and palm jelly. We make our own sweet potato and sweet plantain yam. There's also coconut strings in it and these. That's why it's called halo halo, because it's a mixture of a lot of things and also the gesture of mixing before eating them. We have a whole
I love the presentation.
It's for the non-Filipinos. Because they don't know what because they don't know what they're gonna do with it.
This is halo halo. It's like mixed. You will see like in here and homemade by a Filipino family. And there's a banana and sweet potato and coconut.
In-house.
Yes, it's also made in house. So it's halo halo because you just mix everything together.
For the stories.
Sinisipag ako. Ayan, wala na. So nasa